Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to wear a silk square size scarf in 14 different ways. Now, I've made a different scarf tutorial a few weeks ago, and that one was more about the rectangular size scarves. But if you've missed it, I'll link it down below in the description box so you can watch it after watching this one. If you find any inspirational value in one of these videos, I would love a thumbs up. I love that, but YouTube loves that too. And feel free to leave me a comment down below to tell me what style you like most. If you're going to try any of the styles, by the way, I would really love you to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Lenny_love_chaos. Please feel free to share and tag me on Instagram. One more thing before we jump into the video, I would like to apologize for the light. It is winter in the Netherlands, so it has been gray and rainy for the last couple of days. So in the video, the light is not really perfect, but I hope you're going to forgive me for that, and let's hope for better days.